What up, YouTube? Well, today, it's just a simple day. Basically, I got a new front bumper for my car. It just it's used, but it's a lot better than my previous bumper. As if you've seen my video, I jacked the shit up. I'll go over there and check it out. But basically, we need to make some quick releases because my tabs aren't. Now with this new bumper, the tabs aren't broken, but that like plastic like housing things, don't work. And yeah, I just like the quick releases, take off the bumper quicker, don't have to mess with screws. But we're out here, and yeah, so I'm gonna just do the same thing that we did here, but as you can tell with this ugly thing, I'm not gonna put the vent on the new bumper. I can and actually do it correctly this time with the correct side 350Z vents. If you guys just, I don't know, comment down below, let me know if you guys want that vent on there. I honestly like it better without it, but if it looks good, I don't know, just let me know. I'll install it again. And then I put the new canards, but yeah, this is the old one. And obviously this is why I just replaced it, because this is hideous. But as you can see, like, all of it was just rough bumper. So and I'll back up the car a bit so I can kind of show you. It's real dirty. The car's real dirty right now. Like, look at this. Like, it's just, I haven't washed it in a whole month. I just couldn't wash it because I was at the yard training, and yeah, so the yard was muddy. It was been raining, so every time I would get in the car, I would just get muddy. So I just didn't want to wash and put all this time into washing my car just to get it muddy again. And yeah, so the big reason why I haven't posted in a month, basically, look at that. I went truck driving school, and then I have all my instructors that sign my hat. This is a red hat. If you get the red hat, you pass the CDL test first try, which I did do that. So yeah, now I'm a CDL holder, which is awesome because I'm gonna make more money for the build eventually. Right now, just, kind of life punches you straight in the face. So I'm more focused on, life, paying the bills, paying some debt off, giving all my money to my girlfriend. Just a little bit about me. Shit, we've been together for 10 years. I have a kid, a whole family. So I'm not just out here modding my car and having fun and being, the single life. So stay single, y'all. If you guys have girls, that's cool, but don't have kids. Don't have kids early. I had them real early. And yeah, you just it is what it is. But I'm a man at the end of the day, so I'm just gonna have my shit straight. So that's basically what I've been really busy on doing. Right now I'm back up the car, and thank God for manuals. Just roll it back. I didn't want to start the car and roll it back, so I'll just roll it back like this. But yeah, so let me show y'all the bumper. And as you can see, like, this is like, see, it has all the tabs, it just doesn't fit on there. It just pops out like that. I can replace those, but what the hell, man, might as well just put the things on. But I do need to wash the car. As you can see, there's like not any damages to it. Obviously this is hanging out because there's no screws on the little plastic thing in the back. I still have my ones for the quick releases on, and that's why it's kind of bulging out more than it should. The only damage that does have is this little scrapes right here. I'm honestly sure you can buff that out. Swap my canards on there, put my grill on it, and yeah, so that's the only thing I'm gonna do now is take these take this 10 mil or 8 mil off both sides, take it all off, and then we'll start screwing that quick release, and then I'll wash my car today too, and then show y'all the after, because like I said, I need to do the interior as well, because dude, that is horrible. I've never had my mats that bad in my life. Okay, so it's pretty easy right now. What I'm doing is screwing these in, not all the way in, just as far as it can go. Same thing with that one. And I'll get some toothpaste. Just put some toothpaste right in the little tip, and then line up the bumper. And then, as you can see right there, there's a little bit of toothpaste right there, and that's where I'm gonna be drilling the holes. So let's get my tool and drill those holes out real quick, and then we'll use our little step load drill right here. This, we use the whole thing, and so you just kind of look over, kind of see where it is, line it up, drill right through, do the same thing with that one, and then go from there. It's real easy. I have another video of me doing this, but I gotta do it again. So let's get these holes drilled in and then go from there. Okay, so I got my holes in. It's a little hard, it's just one hand, but then actually I got a stand. Let me get that real quick. Okay, so like I said, just get this thing right here. We already drilled the holes in perfectly. Pop this boy right in, and then get the screw. I'll just do them hand tight, as tight as you can. We'll get the next one in. And then we'll just unscrew this. I just have it screwed in just to find where you need to screw the holes. And then clean off the toothpaste. One thing is, when you do have these in, it's kind of tilted like up here, so you're gonna have to get like some vice grips and just bend it slightly that way so it can actually, you know, connect there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You put these screws in. As you can see, this one's loose too, and then you just have to, from there, you just have to adjust till you can figure out exactly the perfect fitment for your car. And that's what I'm gonna do now real quick. Okay, so I got them on, but I don't know what is with this shitty ass fitment. Like, it's just real shitty right here. It just doesn't want to go in. I don't know. I guess it's just because of the grill. Because with these Basin R grills, it does look cool, but the whole integrity of the bumper just goes away. So when you have these Basin R grills like that, look how flimsy that is, you know. And so if I push this up, like, it gets, that fitment kind of gets better, you know. Oh well, Mazdas don't have, they have like kind of like the Mustang owners, they have just that shitty ass fitment on the connected to the fenders. Oh well, that's pretty much it, y'all. I got them done. Now you just pop these out, and then the whole bumper comes off. Unfortunately, I had to use one of my old ones, so it's like black nice, and then I had to use the one that's all faded because the other one broke on me already. So just make sure, just so you know, these quick releases, they're like 20 bucks for 2. It's trash. You can buy some on eBay for cheaper, but I just didn't want to wait for shipping. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, yo. Hopefully you guys like the video. Next video, I'm probably just gonna go wash the car, clean it up, because thing is dirty and I don't like it. So I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.